Will their audience change and accept that, or will there be some pushback? The second implication would be on how one remains authentic when all of life is also considered work. So when these influencers monetize their lifestyle, every moment is an opportunity for work. A picture, a lunch, all of this becomes work. And that can really take a strain. Our text points out that the entrepreneurial self is in a constant bid to enhance one's personal brand, which often sacrifices family and relationships to work. And this is the instance with these influencers' identity on Instagram or their blogs. The third implication would be on authenticity. When one's lifestyle becomes a brand, how can one be authentic all the time? There's always going to be an amount of privacy that someone maintains, and there's always going to be an identity on a private level. So this leaves us in an updated yet similar model of a work identity and a personal identity. What has changed is what makes up our work and how much of our work we allow to seep into our life, not how much of our life we allow to seep into our work. Each influencer has built a small empire based on their identity, but after analyzing the text and spending time going through their feeds, it's obvious that the identity that they are managing and profiting from is still in some ways fragmented. Although I do believe that they are great representations of the shifting generational tide of the modern relationship with the traditional workplace, I also believe that on some level there will always be a split in identities. One identity will always exist for professional life, and a more authentic, or in this case less filtered, personal identity will exist in private. By creating brands from their lifestyles, these influencers have redefined entrepreneurship and the role that identity and differences play in our culture's narrative of entrepreneurship and work. But how sustainable is this model of life and work for the average person or for the influencers themselves? Only time will tell. Here are my references. Thank you so much for watching.